Hey gamers and hustlers! Did you know that your favorite gaming platform, Steam, isn't just a place to blow money on sales and pile up unplayed games? It's actually a goldmine waiting to be tapped.
Yes, you heard that right. You can make money on Steam.
Think about it. What if your next gaming session didn't just cost you hours but earned you cash? Intrigued? Well, stick around because today I'll show you how to turn Steam into your personal piggy bank. And before we get into the nitty-gritty, hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss out on more smart ways to make money. Let's dive in. 1. Trade and sell items on the Steam marketplace. Let's start with the easiest way, Steam's marketplace. If you play games like CSGO, Dota 2, or Team Fortress 2, you probably already know about skins, trading cards, and rare items. These items can actually sell for real money, sometimes even thousands of dollars if you're lucky. For example, a rare CSGO Dragon Lore skin once sold for over $60,000. That's not just pocket change, that's new car money. To get started, play games that drop valuable items or buy low and sell high on the marketplace. But hey, don't treat it like gambling, be smart about it. 2. Sell your own games or mods. Are you a creative genius or an aspiring developer? Steam's Steamworks lets you publish your own games or mods. Imagine turning that hobby project into a bestseller. Games like Among Us started as indie projects and blew up into cultural phenomena. Mods are another great avenue. If you can create a must-have Skyrim mod or a killer custom map for Counter-Strike, people will pay for your work. Remember, creativity, ill currency on Steam. 3. Flip Steam trading cards. Every Steam user has seen those trading cards pop up while playing games. But did you know they're worth money? Complete sets or sell individual cards on the marketplace for Steam wallet funds. Pro tip: during Steam sales, people scramble to craft badges for discounts, which means trading card prices skyrocket. Time your sales and boom, you're in for some easy cash. 4. Join esports tournaments. Are you good, like really good, at competitive games? Then esports might be your golden ticket. Games like Dota 2 and CSGO have tournaments with massive prize pools. The Dota 2 International had a prize pool of over 40 million in 2023. Even smaller community tournaments can offer decent payouts. Plus, winning looks great on your gaming resume. 5. Offer coaching or gaming services. If you're a pro gamer, why not monetize your skills by offering coaching sessions? Many players are willing to pay for lessons on climbing ranks in games like Dota 2 or CSGO. Alternatively, you can help players complete challenges or grind levels in their favorite games. Platforms like Fiverr or Discord communities can help you find clients. 6. Steam Affiliate Program. Here's a lesser-known hack. Steam has an affiliate program. Share your favorite games with affiliate links, and if someone buys through your link, you earn a small commission. Combine this with platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or even your own blog to maximize your reach. 7. Content creation and streaming. Speaking of YouTube and Twitch, why not stream your gameplay or create Steam-focused content? Tutorials, game reviews, or even funny montages can gain traction and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or viewer donations. A great example is streamers who create content around CSGO case openings or Dota 2 strategies. Viewers love it, and you get paid for being entertaining. So there you have it, 7 awesome ways to make money with Steam. From selling rare skins to creating your own games, there's no shortage of opportunities. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite way to earn on Steam? Let me know in the comments below. And before you log off to start making that sweet Steam cash, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on turning your passions into profits. Let's level up together, both in games and in life. See you next time, champs!